Gold price trades with modest losses amid bullish USD, downside potential seems limited. Gold price struggles amid reduced Fed rate cut expectations and a strengthening US dollar, despite geopolitical tensions in the Middle East providing some support. The overnight positive movement is countered by ongoing concerns about the Fed's stance on interest rates, which is bolstered by solid economic performance and inflationary pressures. This dynamic puts downward pressure on gold, which is further compounded by the US dollar's upward trajectory. Geopolitical uncertainties stemming from the Middle East conflicts contribute to a cautious market sentiment, evident in a weaker tone across equity markets. However, investors' expectations of interest rate cuts by major central banks, including the Fed, later in the year help cushion gold's losses. They anticipate that economic data releases and speeches by influential Fed members, notably Chair Jerome Powell, will provide clarity on future monetary policy decisions and potentially impact gold prices. The global risk environment remains fragile, driven by escalating tensions in the Middle East and speculations regarding the Fed's monetary policy stance. Investors delay their expectations of a Fed rate cut, now projecting it to happen in September instead of June, due to concerns about inflation and the robustness of the U.S. economy. Stronger than expected US retail sales data further reinforces these sentiments, indicating sustained consumer spending that could fuel inflationary pressures. While the yield on the 10-year U.S. government bond reaches its highest level since November, disappointing economic data, such as the Empire State Manufacturing Index, tempers some of the optimism. Nonetheless, the US dollar continues its ascent to over a 5-month peak, potentially hindering further gains for gold. Technical analysis suggests that while gold may find support around the $2,325–2,324 level, a break below could signal a deeper decline towards $2,300. Conversely, a breach above $2,400 could reignite bullish momentum with a potential retest of the record peak near $2,431–2,431. However, with the relative strength index RSI indicating overbought conditions, gold's upward momentum may temporarily stall before potentially resuming its upward trend.